MMUN participants, are you ready for another exciting year with the songwriting workshops in New York City, in Rome, and online? We had a fabulous year last year. Here's a quick recap. All right, so we'll see you again. We can't wait. Have a wonderful year doing your research and getting your presentations ready. I'm so excited to see them. I'm so excited to see you. And let's have a fantastic year. Woo!